the best news we could have gotten last night is when this storm turned a bit to the east and Tampa really dodged a bullet. But I want to show you the strength of Hurricane Irma. And by the way, you see water is still breaching here. That's my point. 9 hours ago, the storm came. But look at the bay. Look at the choppiness of this water. And it continues to break through this seawall as it did just all over me a moment ago. Of course, now we're having a calm moment. But you can see it's breaking against the wall. What they thought was going to happen was that this entire area was going to be underwater. Gerard has lived here for almost 30 years. You were just down here to look at this.
Yeah, we came down just to investigate because normally in harsher conditions, this whole bay would be flooded. Bayshore Boulevard would be completely underwater, waist deep, if not higher.
Got it. You were saying that if this had not hit the right way, we would be underwater right now.
Yeah, absolutely.
What did you think was going to happen?
Just a lot of flood damage, devastation, especially South Tampa businesses along Kennedy Boulevard.
You've been driving around. What does the damage look like here in Tampa?
Very minimal. We got very, very lucky, extremely lucky. If that backside of that storm had not dissipated when the storm moved east, we'd see a different Tampa right now.
All right, well, I'm glad you're okay, and I'm glad everyone here is okay. It really is a great town. They've built this place up a lot, guys, and we've talked about how Tampa is especially vulnerable for hurricanes like this. They haven't had one since 1921. Look how low these bridges are. A lot of the infrastructure here is very low lying, and as the mayor has been telling us for a couple of days, it's very old infrastructure, and he says they need more federal money to fix it, and you never know, a storm like this could be the impetus to get all that fixed in case another one comes the next hurricane season.
Yeah, especially since it seemed to be such a close call, too, Jeff. Thank you.
Hello, Today fans. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking that button down there and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives.